yes, just another perfectly normal amount of things to have bought in one day. Happy spooky season. It is officially October, and that's where I got the idea for this video. Fall haul. So cute. Really, I just needed justification for all the stuff I wanted to buy, so that's this video. Anyways, ready to see what I got? Okay, where should we even start? Let's do this. Let's see. Oh, wow, this is the most festive first item ever. You guys know I'm collecting books for my library, so I thought this one was really fun. So cool. I actually also got this in the mail the other day. You guys know I go ham for Halloween costumes, so those are on the way. Like, comment, subscribe for all the crazy things that y'all know I'm gonna dress up as, but I thought of OG, which would be a fun one. So, next thing. Oh, you know what? We could do the makeup. This is fun and fall. Got some pumpkin spice palette. Ooh, that's fun. Ooh, it smells like cake, pie. It smells like pie, duh. I actually got all sorts of stuff from Too Faced. Literally, look at this. This is like a full-on candy jar. I literally went to their office the other day and they like had a little tea party for me. It was so stinking cute, but they literally gave me so many goodies. So now I'm like decked the hell out in Too Faced. So much stuff. I got some red lips. Y'all know I love red for the holidays. Ooh, baby, like look at this for fall. So hot. Some cute little brushes wearing a bow tie. So that'll be fun. All right, I'll play with all that later. Let's see, while we're on the topic of makeup. Hello, beautiful. You guys know I usually do the same makeup look like every single day. I always have this like signature nude lip, but in the fall, I also do browns and reds. Ooh, like see, I got this deep brown gloss. This is cool. And this one actually, I guess, isn't really technically fall themed. I just thought it was pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. So cute. Also got a nice little bronzer. Look at this. Oh. Admit I didn't need this. I just kind of thought it was nice. Oh, I really want to open this. Before I open this, do you want to go on a field trip with me to buy them? Okay. Time warp. Yesterday at the mall. God, I love LA. It's beautiful. Oh, side note, also beautiful. Look at my ring. Gorgeous. Oh, it's so shiny in the sun. Wow. That is amazing. I'm always distracted by how shiny things are. Okay. Oh, the Grove is just so cute. It just feels like you're in a little storybook here. Okay, so, I actually want to get my yearly pair of Uggs today. Ooh, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna pick up a new phone. Look at this store. Whoa, guys. Look at this Apple store. This is trippy as hell. Cool, okay. Well, guys, the 14 Pro looks identical to the one I currently have. Literally the same, except this one's not cracked. Well, yay. Cool. Okay, now we can get boots. Oh yeah, baby. I love Uggs. You know, I've never actually had a pair like this. This could be kind of fun, but what I'm really looking for, I think, is this. The OG. Life hack though, we're gonna go to the kids section and get a kid size because they're cheaper. I do this all the time. It's like one of my original broke bitch hacks. Like, look at this. These are only $60 instead of $120. Boom. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Life hack of the century. Woohoo! Ooh, you know, while I'm here, I love to support my girl. What you got, Skims? You know, this would actually be a really cool shirt. All right, bonus. We'll see, Kim. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This has nothing to do with anything, but I am hungry, and I love these. Get some popcorn, too. I always ask what I eat in a day. I really just have such a sweet tooth. Oh, these are kind of chic. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's that time of year. Whoa, I can get 8 beauty blenders for $9? Bruh. Sold. I will buy all of these egg things. TJ Maxx is the motherland. It would not be a fall vlog if I didn't go to every single store and sniff all the pumpkin candles. This is legitimately one of my favorite hobbies. Oh. Yep. Oh, wow. What the hell is this? Why would you want your house to smell like this? Oh, this is kind of cute. We'll get this too. What the heck? Oh no. Disneyland ass line. Woohoo! Now that we sniffed all the candles in there, we gotta go sniff all the candles everywhere else. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, pumpkin spice vanilla. Yo, they have whole ass Gucci and Marshalls right now. This is crazy. Oh, look at all the blankets. All right, we're gonna go to Target. I love Target. I think Target might be one of my favorite stores ever. Oh, this is cute. We're gonna get this. Okay. Stop. Look how cute. Meow. Okay, Target actually has amazing candles too. I love this one. Woohoo! I actually secretly love these. I actually am obsessed with tights. We'll get some of these. These are cool. These are actually some of my favorite tights in the world. I love these. God, this is turning into grocery shopping with me. Okay, the haul will be more interesting, I swear. Bum, 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 bum. This is deranged. Oh man, unbelievable. I went out for one thing. Bum, 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 bum. Ta-da! These are the ones I picked. I got these like ones with bows on them. Oh yeah! Now that's fashion, baby. Uggs and booty shorts will forever stay an iconic fashion statement. By the way, I also got this little outfit from TJ Maxx. Isn't this kind of cute? It's like slumpy, but very casual, kind of lumping around town kind of vibes. Fashion blogger nation. Woo! All right, what else did we get? Well, aside of this outfit, what else did I get from TJ Maxx? Oh, I got this cute little mug that says a dream come true and has a palace on it. You know, for the sky castle. I just thought that was so cute. I also got enough pumpkin candles to literally survive a war. This one is my favorite. This one smells amazing. This one smells like a pumpkin spice latte and has a cute little design on it. I actually already have one of them burning in my room. Oh yeah, baby. That's nice. Ah, fall. What else did I get in here? Oh yes. I got my really weird egg beauty blender containers. Look, baby, I went grocery shopping. These were only like $1 a beauty blender. I am so cheap, so that's awesome. This is actually very Easter, but that's fine. Okay, what else? Let's see, what did I get at Target? Oh, these tights are literally unbelievable. Tights for fall are just an awesome fashion accessory. They make everything just look so much cooler. Like I wore this particular pair in Paris. Oh, gorgeous. I know I ordered a couple other tights from Amazon. Maybe they're in here. Okay, no, but I got this cute little Burberry inspired scarf for like 15 bucks. Awesome. This box is huge. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, lots of stuff. Okay, yay. Oh, I got this cute little candy jar because it's October and y'all know I'm gonna be putting a lot of candy out. Oh, look how festive. Man, the candy corn quality control. No, not for you, I'm sorry. Man, the candy corn quality control people need to be called. These are jankety looking candy corns. Oh, you're gonna laugh at this. I got some nice fall neutral colored underwear. These are the thongs that I get. They're so cheap on Amazon. Love it. I'm pretty sure these are both pairs of boots, so let's try these on. Ooh, these boots are made for walking. Woo! What do you think, Georgie? Do you like them? Yeah. These are kind of fun. They got like a cowgirl vibe. I think these were only like 30 bucks too. Banger. You know, I'm actually not wild about these. These are a little too slumpy for my liking. I like my boots to be a little tighter, don't we, George? Yeah. So I'm actually probably gonna return these. Let's see, G, what else did we get? Ooh, slippers! Oh yeah, now that is very fall. Wow, these are like the softest slippers I ever felt. Awesome, okay, 10 out of 10 stars. What else did we get? Oh, this is random. I got some Calvin Klein underwear sets. Because you chewed up my other ones, didn't you? So yay, now my tops have bottoms again. Joy. Wow, I have no idea what this is. Wow, I'm dying. Oh yeah. Okay, so I ordered some forks and knives because I just thought all gold ones were fun for fall. Look at how pretty golden forks. I just thought these were pretty, so there we go. Oh wow, look how many spoons. God, I get excited about weird stuff. Okay, yay. Whoa, I think this is another robe. Okay, wow, this is kind of giving. Look at this. How's that for a sugar daddy dyed look? Maybe I should be a sugar daddy for Halloween. Ooh, and look at that with the ring. Damn, Zaddy, who got you that? As always, from me to me. Oh, here we go. Here's the other tights I ordered. P.S. life hack, I always get tights in a way bigger size because that makes them like not squishy and they just are way more comfortable. So there you go, you're welcome. Like, woo-hoo-hoo, look at that. That's so spicy. God, I love tights. Da-da, 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 da-da. No, no, no.
You're so good just sitting here during the haul. I love you.
All right, let's see. Oh, actually, this isn't particularly exciting to anyone but me, but I got some cute new boxes for the jewelry. Aren't these fun? And got these super cute little bubble mailers. Aren't these adorable? Thank you. I got like a bajillion of them. I think there's like 100 more boxes over there full of them. I'm literally still packing the jewelry from my kitchen table. Yeah, but all the new boxes, so fun. I spent a million hours packing up all the necklaces, by the way, but aren't these little boxes cute for them? Oh, the cutest little necklaces. So I have to finish packing those up and putting them all in here. This takes me hours a day, but they're so stinking cute. So I'll probably do that tonight, but you know, rep my own stuff. But in other jewelry news, I actually got a couple other new things in. Got the super cute little heart necklace that I'm wearing. They come in silver and gold, so those are on the website now. So excited about that. Super cute. I love them, just like a little token of love, you know? Again, the cushion rings that I'm wearing throughout the video, those are restocked as well as some other goodies. So if you guys want to check that out, it's all new on 333andgojewelry.com. So I'll be packing all those up this week, so happy shopping. Tag me if you get them, by the way. I just love seeing you guys wear it. It just like melts my heart, so. Okay, we got that. What else? These actually just came in the mail the other day too. Aren't these so cute? We got some more little ring boxes. Absolutely adorable. So, like I said, I literally store everything in here. This is a mess. This is what my house has become, you guys. Very chaotic jewelry storage slash filming center. It's a mess, but I'm gonna move into the Sky Castle in like a month or two, fingers crossed. So for now, it just is what it is. But anyways, let's see, what else did we get her? Oh, this is iconic. Okay, so I know I'm not like supposed to be buying stuff from sketchy Chinese websites anymore, but you know what? I still do it. I got these like Chanel tights. They came in a Balenciaga package. Wow, this is hilarious. Actually, not too bad. Incredible. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I actually have no idea what this is. The hell is this? I mean, this is kind of freaky Halloween-y. What is this? Oh, yeah! Oh, I got a TV mount, guys. Actually, this is really exciting because, like I've been saying, I'm gonna put a giant TV in the new room. Did you guys wanna go really quick? I'll show ya. Like, see guys, so this is gonna be the little cabinet for the TV. There's gonna be doors here, so it's hidden, but the TV is gonna go right in there so I can watch it. Boop, look at that, so many field trips in this video. Okay, back to business, let's see what else. Guess we can do my little Target haul. What'd we get from Target? Oh, this was more like of a grocery shopping, but I got these because I love these. Canned beans, because that's the only thing I can cook. Aw, festive! I know it's an unpopular thing to actually like eating candy corns, but I stand them, they're delicious. I even like the pumpkins. Cute little fall crop top, I love it. Oh, you guys know I'm obsessed with blankets. I literally have a problem. If I see a blanket, I like have to buy it. And this one feels like the softest thing I've ever felt. It's like a cloud. Like, bruh, you wanna talk about fall fashion? This is it. Alrighty, what else did we buy? Oh, I got another candle. This one also smells amazing from Target. So good. Great, okay. 70 million candles. What are the candles sitting on? I do not know what this is. Stop. Love getting my friends PR kits. This is so cute. Thanks, Patrick. Oh, like this is so cute. And do you guys see that? Look at the hidden Mickey. Do you see it? That's crazy. So fun. I'll have to play with this later. I actually really want to go to Disneyland. I love going to Disney around like Halloween time. So if anyone wants to take me on a date to Disneyland, let me know. Yeah. No, wait, I almost forgot my little other bag. That's a little Skims shirt. Let's see. Ooh, like see, well, my mirror is really dirty, but look at how cute. This is an actual shirt. Hello. As Kim says, nude selfies till I die. And that's what I bought at the mall in fall and online. So far. I would say I'm done, but y'all know it's me, so I'll probably buy like 50,000 more things tomorrow and do another haul this weekend. A fall of hauls. Wishing you a very happy spooky season and shopping season. Kisses till the next haul. XO.
the witching hour, Georgie. Are you ready to play? Boing, boing, hockey. Woo! Get it! Man, I'm bad at this. Thanks for loving me anyway. Boop.